Hi everybody, welcome back. So for today's cake, we are making a pumpkin pecan spice cake. It's gonna be very spooky, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's start by mixing together 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and 1 can, 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. Until it's nice and creamy. And now let's put together our dry ingredients. We have 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of salt. And now slowly, we're gonna add our flour mixture into our pumpkin mixture. All right, our batter is almost ready. It's extremely moist and it smells amazing with all of the spices. The last thing is we are going to fold in 1 cup of chopped pecans. Okay. And we're going to split our batter into 2 7-inch pans. And into our preheated 300-degree oven they go. All right, so for the blood in our cake, we are going to cook together 20 ounces of either frozen or fresh raspberries, ½ a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So you're gonna cook it over medium heat and just continue to stir it until you see that the sugar has melted and thickens. All right, our cakes are ready and they took 45 minutes. We're gonna start by using pumpkin spice cream liquor to moisten our cake. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our buttercream. I will leave in the description box below the video on how to make this. We added 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and 4 tablespoons of the pumpkin cream liquor. You can add up to 6 tablespoons. It completely depends on how strong of a flavor you're looking for. Okay, go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed making our creepy Halloween cake with us. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more fun and easy videos. Happy Halloween!